Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft Store apps. So let's say you try to download an app from the Microsoft Store and you are having issue whereby it's like the downloading is failing, or you are trying to install an app but the app is not installing, or something is going wrong, or it's always freezing. So let me show you how to actually reset the Microsoft Store app and fix that problem. So what you need to do first of all is to go to your start menu and then click settings. So here in settings we have the just search for apps, and in apps, so we need to search for store. So you can see here we have the Microsoft Store. So click advanced options. So in advanced option, so we just need to scroll down and you can see we have immediately terminate this app and its related process. But we can, if this app is not working right, reset this app, that app will be deleted. So I'm going to actually do a reset. Says this will permanently delete the apps that are on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click reset. So it will try and reset the Microsoft Store apps. You can see the store has been closed, and you can see it gives us a check mark that it has been reset. So you need to just close this and then go back again to your start menu and then search for store, then open the Microsoft Store. And mind you, if you've logged on before, maybe using your Microsoft account, you will need to log on again because it's going to log you out. So just log on again and then try to launch that app that was giving you, or try to download the app that was giving you a problem, or try to reinstall the apps, and that problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. Thank you very much and goodbye.